Welcome to Childress High School. One of the biggest mysteries at Childress High School is what actually happens behind that door. Well, you're fixing to find out.
Behind that mystery door, we learn Family and Consumer Sciences Education, Adulting 101. 5 classes include Principles of Human Services, Dollars and Cents, Lifetime Nutrition and Wellness, Child Development, and Family and Community Service.
Joining an SES class gives you great knowledge about how to do things in life that regular school classes don't always teach you, like cooking, counting money, and balancing checks. It also teaches you good presentation and communication skills. For example, when you present work to your class, you have to know how to speak clearly and make eye contact. Joining FCCLA gives you a chance to make new friends. There are people from all different places that you can create friendships with that will last a lifetime. It also teaches you leadership skills. It helps you take initiative and be the change you want to see in the world.
3 things you'll never say in FCS class. I'm never going to need to know how to do this. I'll never use this. Miss, why do I even need to know this?
Taking PHS has allowed me to learn many valuable life skills that I will most definitely use later in life, and I'm using them right now as we speak. FCCLA is something I would most definitely take if I was into going and competing, but it's not all just about that. You make amazing friendships and you learn so much along the way, and it is so much fun. Taking FCCLA for me has allowed me to help my community in ways that I could never imagine doing, and I'm so glad I ended up taking it.
Hi, my name is Bailey Bradley, and I hold the FCCLA office of Vice President of Community Service. FCCLA, or Family, Career, and Community Leaders of America, is a student-led organization with family as its central focus. There are many fun and creative things you can do in FCCLA, such as taking trips to compete at region, state, and nationals. You meet new kids your age, getting to know your chapter, and at the end of the year, our trip is really fun. But that's just the start of many other fun experiences FCCLA has to offer. I have made it to nationals both my freshman and sophomore year, and let me tell you, it was legit. You learn to be the best you can be.
Overall, the courses offered through Family Consumer Sciences Education are going to help give you skills for life. You're going to be able to put to use the skills that you learn in every class from day one, and you're going to be able to use them and apply them to situations and things that you experience for the rest of your life. I guarantee you that you won't regret joining Family Consumer Sciences Education courses, which is also a way that you can become a member of Family, Career, and Community Leaders of America, or FCCLA.
And maybe the best reason of all to join FCS classes? Nothing we learn will be on the STAR test. This is your Mama's Home Ec class on steroids. See you next year.